Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Martin with Belvoir Auto Spa. Continuing on the 3D Glow series of products, I've got the SiO2 Ceramic Trim Restorer. This is one I've actually had my eye on. So I've used a few different ceramic trim restorers so far. Meguiar's, which Meguiar's is durable, but doesn't really darken the plastics much. It's more of a protectant, even though they call it a restorer. Hybrid Solutions, which is dyed black. So that will definitely restore it because it's going to dye your trim. But the protective properties of it aren't the greatest. And then what else have I tried? I think that's it for ceramic trim restorers. Is it? Let me take a peek in the cabinet here real quick. Oh yeah, Adam's Graphene VRT, which is okay. Yeah, that's about it. I know 303's got one that people really like. I just haven't tried that yet. But anyway, so the 3D Glow Ceramic Trim Restorer, ignore that. That was from the Tire Shine video I just did. So we're going to use, you want to use an applicator of some sort for this. Anyways, got the information here for dull and faded plastic trim while adding hydrophobic protection, leaving behind the ultra dark finish. So you apply some drops to your foam applicator, which I'm using microfiber, which is still fine. You can even use a microfiber towel. Don't apply it in direct sunlight as it might get stuck on the surface because it'll cure too fast. It doesn't say anything about a cure time. Generally, ceramic water-based products, 24 hours does the trick. It'll probably be dry within 10 minutes. We're going to go apply it to some of the trim here and see how it looks. This car has got a lot of old, faded trim, so it'll definitely be a good experience. So you are going to want, or I mean, me personally, I like to grab a microfiber towel to wipe off the excess. You don't have to, but it's a good idea. That way it's not all prone to attracting dust, because if there's a thicker layer on there, it's going to take a long time to dry. But let's get over to the vehicle and take a look and see how this looks on the trim. All right, so first up, we got this mirror. Mirror's actually not that badly faded, but I put Meguiar's on it a long time ago. We're going to see how it holds up. I apologize, it's windy out here, so it's blowing the camera around a little bit on the tripod. Smell-wise, it's got like a nice berry smell. That's what it looks like. It's not dyed or anything. Let's apply it to half of this. We'll see what difference it makes in looks. I guess a little bit more than half. We'll take our microfiber towel, wipe off the excess, and there it is. Does it make it nice and darker looking? No complaints there. Looks pretty good. Not oily feeling or anything like that, so this should hold up nicely in the rain and the sun. I'd say you probably have to reapply it every couple months. They don't say anything about the durability of it, but generally I find this stuff, it just depends on the weather where you're at. It is really nice, makes your trim look good. Make your mirrors look good, make the water repel, roll right off of them. Now let's look at another trim piece down lower. So here we've got this, so I'm gonna go down here. Down low to these runners. This trim gets battered. I believe I did put, the reason this looks good right here is I put a ceramic coating on there a couple months ago and it's still going, which is good. Yeah, I hope a coating would. Let's get some applied on this runner here and see how it looks. It does darken the trim up nicely. Good thing. Let's see why it wouldn't. Wipe off the excess. Oh yeah, that looks really good. It adds some nice luster to it. You can see the difference right there. Look, you see the yellow glow of the towel here. Well, I guess you can kind of see here too, but even more so here. Yeah, it looks pretty good. I mean, what do you guys think? Let's finish coating the rest of this. After this, I got another area I can show you that's really, really bad. All right. Pretty good. I like how it looks. Yeah, that's nice. I gotta finish the rest of that off camera, but I'm gonna show you another spot here real quick that is really badly faded. All right, so you see right here, this front cowl, it's so badly faded and dried, it's cracked and it's all kinds of messed up. Let's see what difference this makes up here. Some applied. Oh yeah. That soaks right in. It looks really good. You don't need much. It spreads real nice. Get it all in there. That looks pretty good. So does it restore badly faded trim? Absolutely. I just don't know how long it lasts. You'll have to ask me in the comments in the future and see how this is. So make sure first you look at the date that this video was posted before you ask, okay? But yeah, looks pretty good. So another pretty good product they released. Anyways, let's go in for our final thoughts. All right, so 3D Glow Ceramic Trim Restore, very good product. I like it, works good. A little bit better than Meguiar's, where this really soaks in, or Meguiar's didn't soak in as much. So this will definitely help more faded plastics. But as for the longevity, check the date of the video. If it's at least a couple months in the future, ask me how it's holding up. I'll be happy to answer your question. Used to, for badly faded plastics, use this. This is a solvent-based dressing from 3D. Because it is solvent-based, it puts those oils that the plastics lose over time. Plastics are made from oil, if you didn't know. Solvent-based dressing is also made from oil. I mean, not solvent-based in general, but this particular solvent, I can't think of. Not silicone. Oh man, it is a solvent though. I forget what the solvent is. Give me a second. Let me think. Petroleum. That's what it is. Petroleum. So this is a petroleum-based solvent. Petroleum comes from oil. Plastic also comes from oil. So you use a petroleum-based solvent, it restores the oils back to the plastic to keep it looking nice again. This is water-based, but it does look like it soaks in nicely, and it leaves a nice protective barrier on top of ceramic to keep that stuff locked in to help protect against the sun and fading again. There's different options you can always try. It just really, for me, it just depends on how bad it is. But this is definitely a good option to try. But that's all I got for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave your thoughts down in the comments below. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know what your favorite ceramic trim restorer is. Not ceramic coatings, though. Water-based, not coatings. Right? Coatings are all great for trim, but let me know what your favorite water-based is. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I will see y'all on the next one. Keep them clean, grab some G Fuel, and have a good one.